A cab driver, a medical examiner, those were among the state's witnesses called to testify in day 3 of Dwanta Harris's murder trial. He is one of the 4 teens charged in the murder and the death of Baltimore County Police Officer Amy Caprio. Jurors broke off around the day around 5:15. WMAR-TV News' Abby Issacs joins us with the latest developments.
The most interesting development in court today came from the state's fingerprint expert, who was charged with analyzing different prints collected from the burglarized homes, stolen property, and the black Jeep, and then comparing those prints with the prints of the 4 teens who were arrested in Amy Caprio's death. Police say Harris was the driver of the stolen Jeep that hit and killed Caprio. The fingerprint expert testified that she found Harris's print on the Jeep driver's side door, as well as on the bottom of a Lego racer game that was stolen from one of the homes. Prosecutors said in their opening statement that Harris was the getaway driver, but up until this point, the state had only developed the connection between the other 3 arrested and the burglaries. The expert today testifying that their prints were found in or around the homes and on stolen property. Now, establishing that Harris knowingly played a part in these burglaries is essential to prove the first-degree murder charge because of Maryland's felony murder statute. The medical examiner who performed Caprio's autopsy also testified, saying her cause of death was multiple injuries to her chest, consistent with a, quote, crush type of injury.
Officer Caprio died as a result of the injuries caused by that vehicle. There's no question about that. We're not debating that. That's not the battleground. The battleground are all the things that Mr. Brown has indicated, you know what I mean? And that is whether or not he was involved in the burglaries and whether or not there was any intention on his part to cause harm to Officer Caprio.
Harris's defense maintains that he's not guilty of either of those. The lead Baltimore County detective with this case has yet to testify, and that's who the defense says they're waiting to hear from. Stick with WMAR-TV News on air and online for the latest developments. At Baltimore County Circuit Court, Abby Issacs, WMAR-TV News.